Are you guys ready for my 15,000 mile review for my 2020 Little Spark, Chevrolet Spark? This is going to be my 15,000 review for my 2020 Chevrolet Spark. Okay, I got to be honest with you, from my 5,000 to my 10,000, now it's my 15,000, I really thought this through. I honestly tried to come up with something about this little gem I own that I could complain about. Before I go any further, a disclaimer, I am not being sponsored by Chevrolet by any means. It's just my personal opinion, and I'm going to be as truthful as possible. Okay, here you go. I'm going to come up with some negatives, but this is just buyer's choice. I wish it had a few bells and whistles. I wish it had power door unlockers, if that's what you call them. I wish it had a speed thing where I could set the speed going down the road. But these are just buyer's choices. I could have got one that had these things, but I didn't think I needed them. That is the only thing I wish it did have. And since I can't think of no negative about my car, let me tell you all the positives. Oh yeah, let me tell you the first one from last night. Yes, brand spanking new. Last night, we was coming back from a fishing trip. And by the way, if you watch my videos, you should. If you don't, I do a lot of ventures. And believe it or not, this little Spark, I call her Little Sparky, gets me to everywhere I want to go. But anyway, we got done with a fishing trip and ran through a monstrous storm. Winds were blowing all over the place, and that was one of my concerns when I bought the car. I was worried it being so tiny, it wouldn't take much for wind to knock me off the road. I was really concerned about that. Well, after driving the car and putting the 5,000 on it, the 10,000 miles on it, and the 15, I knew I was fine driving in high wind. And last night proved it. The winds were real bad. Now, I will admit it did push me a little bit, but nowhere near as I thought it would. Oh, God, no. It hugged that road and hugged it and got me home safely. Another concern I had was, on the open highway, is it going to have enough giddy up and go? Is it going to be able to keep with the rest of the traffic? I was concerned about that back then. I was. I'm here to tell you this little car has no problem on the open highway. It can keep up with the best of them and even pass them, because little Sparky does just that. Yeah, sometimes I'm in a hurry. You know, I was really worried when I bought the car. I was like, is it going to have enough room for all my stuff? Well, I'm here to tell you folks, I do adventure videos. I do adventures a lot nowadays with my wife. I'm 55 years old, and we're starting to get out and enjoy nature. Our children are grown, and this little car of mine, we fill it full of all of our fishing gear and room left over, and not to mention camping gear too. And we never had to put down the back seat yet. Yeah, putting down the back seats is optional. I've never done it. It holds all my camping gear, and believe me, if you go back and watch my camping video I did, we go because we like to be comfortable, just like my fishing. We go with all kinds of fishing gear. So the bottom line is, it's been 15,000 miles and I still can't find a damn thing wrong with this car. I love it more and more every day. It gets me and my wife to every adventure we seek out to enjoy. Maybe at 20,000 miles I come up with something, but right now I'm 15,000 miles on her. She's dirty. She just got off of an adventure. Believe it or not, I do clean the damn thing. But like I said, we just got off an adventure and we're getting ready to head on another one next couple of days. And this time we're going to take the car even further than before. From 10,000 to 15,000, we've had it pretty far distances, but what's coming up is going to be even further yet. So guys, I can't find nothing wrong. If you're ever in the market to buy a new car and you're looking for something small, oh yeah, not to mention the gas. Here in the state of Indiana where I'm at, gas is well over $3 a gallon. Every time I put gas in her, I smile. That's right, with gas prices being so godly high, and it's hot out here, that's why I'm sweating. Gas prices being so godly high, that makes me even more happy. I bought my little Sparky. So if you guys are ever in the market on a good car, very reliable, be able to carry things, get in and out of traffic, keep up with the other vehicles on the road, and damn good on your pocketbook and your wallet for gas, maybe a little Sparky might be something you may be looking at. Maybe. Yeah. I'm proud and I'm happy we made that choice. But I only have one suggestion if you guys ever decide to buy a little spark car like I did. Don't go for a 2020, go for a new one! A 2021 or a 2022. Whatever year you may be watching this video. Alright guys, I'm going to do another review at 20,000. And I'm going to do these every 5,000. And one day I might find something I don't like. Because right now I can't find a damn thing. Until next time. Come on! Let's get out of here. And if you already watched my videos, I see you on our next adventure. If you only watch them for the reviews, I see you. You should watch the other videos. But if you only watch them for the reviews, I see you at 20,000.